I made the custom plates for my husband and I's dinner party that we had that was sponsored by our business, The Crab Place. I wanted to do something extra special by adding the logo to some slate plates, so I went on Amazon and bought slate plates in various sizes. We had hired a chef to make a 5-course meal, and each of those courses would be showing up separately. So I wanted to have plates for each one of those courses, and on each of those plates, I wanted our logo to be there. So because I'm very crafty, I ordered a bunch of these plates and I decided I was going to engrave the logo onto each of these plates with my Glowforge. I couldn't wait. I just knew it was going to look good and I felt like it would still look upscale because it was going to be on the black plate, right? Well, anyway, I went to the whole creation process and used my Glowforge to engrave these plates, and they took about 2 to 3 minutes each, and I had about 48 of these plates to do. It took me maybe about 2.5 days to finish them all because I wasn't doing them all back to back, but it came out fantastic. It looked so upscale, it looked very expensive, and I can see us using these plates for a lot of our other content that we want branding to be in, but don't want it to look so, obnoxious. I feel like this is one of those things that it doesn't just have to apply to food. This could be used as a backdrop for jewelry or anybody with a business. So I think I'm going to be adding something like this to my website. But if you would like to see more crafts like this and see how these projects turn out, I do have an art page, which I will tag. But let me know what you think about my little concept and if you think it was worth the time.
I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.